All right, so this is where the boardwalk ends and the fun begins. When I say there are no guardrails, there are no guardrails. It is just us and dimmed our gators.
If you're new here, hi, I'm Johnny. This is little Wyatt, and we're traveling the country together in our 25-year-old van named Vandalf the Grey. So if you enjoy the outdoors, budget travel, camp cooking, and all the things that come along with van life, we hope you'll join us for the adventure.
Okay, I have to do one Florida adventure before I leave the state of Florida. Even repping the Florida hat this morning. I am at a place called Paynes Prairie, which is right in the, look at that guy. Which is right in the, kind of in the middle of the state in Gainesville, where the Florida Gators play. So this particular trail is called Chua Trail, and it is known for a few things. It's known for its wildlife. It's known for, there's bison here, there's wild horses, birds of all kinds of things. And it is about as Florida gets. Look at that. But the main thing here at this trail is gators. Thousands of gators. Paynes Prairie is what's called a savanna, which is weird. I didn't know that. Wikipedia taught me that. A savanna is a series or a large landmass that trees do not form a canopy. So as you can see, there are trees, but there are no canopies. It's literally just marshland, this whole thing. All marshland. And sometimes, depending on rain, I think it's been 10 years or so, a hurricane came through, and this actually turns into what's called Alachua Lake, which I thought that was a little fun fact. I've never seen it. I've lived here basically my whole life, but I've never seen that. So got the big camera out and gonna see if I can take some shots of some alligators. The way this trail works is you have all this boardwalk, and then the boardwalk ends, and that's where the fun begins, because it is literally no guardrails between you and the alligators. And I've done this trail one time before, and I had to have seen 100 alligators. Let's go see what we can capture today. I hope to not get eaten on my first adventure of this trip. But, oh, also, you'll notice I'm no dog with me. Not allowed to have dogs, and you're not even supposed to bring children. Because, hey, if you ain't a gator, you're gator bait, baby. All right, about 4 minutes into this hike, and I've spotted my first little baby right there. We've got a fellow right there swimming. And we got one over here. Got one over there. Oh, got one out there. Oh, there's one right there, right there, right there, right there. All right, so this is where the boardwalk ends and the fun begins. When I say there are no guardrails, there are no guardrails. It is just us and dimmed our gators. There's another one right there. Got some birds. There are a bunch of them, like right there, there, there. I'll go see if I can get some shots of them. 3 more just hanging. 4 more just chilling, taking a nap, getting some morning sun. Oh, man, there's another one there. Oh, another one back there. Another one. There's so many. This is wild. Literally. I told you, this is about as Florida gets. It is awesome here. Absolutely awesome. If you're driving through this neck of the woods, stop by Paynes Prairie. Do the Cholula. Oh, not Cholula. That's delicious hot sauce. Chua Trail. You will not be let down. Hey, little buddy. I'm sorry I couldn't take you. You want to go for a little walk? Come on. Come on, let's go. Little buddy, you did it. You did such a good job. And now we're here. Are you excited? Are you excited? We made it to the campground. I'm so excited. Let's go. Well, I have to say, we got pretty lucky on this campground. But I've been here a bunch of times. I kind of already know it already. But we got Vandalf here. We've got a picnic table here. And, oh, we're going to be doing some live streaming right here. Andrews Cove Campground in Helen, Georgia. It's like my 3rd year in a row here. What do you have, little dude? What do you have? You're stuck. You're stuck. Okay, camp is set up. We've got the canopy up. We've got a little Wyatt doing little Wyatt things. I have this tradition. Oh, also, there's this. It's not bad, right? I'm so happy right now. So I have this tradition. The first night of every trip, I do steak, and I do my favorite beer, which is a St. Bernardus beer. St. Bernardus Abt 12. St. Bernardus Abt 12. Been doing it every year for 7 years. So, doing nothing crazy tonight, just a little flat iron, get some butter, got some Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna cook it on the old Coleman next to this. I'm just excited. This is in the woods. Bugs, like I'm not even mad at the bugs. I got bugs, whatever, I got bugs. I got mosquitoes out here. So I have to enjoy this tonight because this is the last good day of weather. It is like 70% chance of rain for the next 10 days forecast. Everywhere I'm going, Alabama, Arkansas, here, it's just rain. It's just rain. And then, speaking of making it rain, what is under there, little buddy? What is it? What is it? He's gonna dig up that whole stump. I just know it. Anyway, I'm gonna get to work over here. All done. And the noise in the background, I'm not going to apologize for. The amount of times you'll hear, especially if you're new here, live streaming, that joke will never get old. All right, so priorities. Actually, priorities. Let's cut this bad boy open. See what we got here. It's a nice crisp on the outside. Oh, yes. So dark. It got so dark so quick. Dude, this is so money. Oh, it's so juicy. This is about to pour on my lap. Wyatt, buddy, you've got yours coming up. You want a sneak peek? You want a sneak peek of your steak? Here. You'll have the rest later. All right, so. Yum. This is my favorite beer on the planet. St. Bernardus Abt 12. I believe, don't quote me on this, that it's one of the oldest breweries in the world. I think it's like from the 16th or 17th century. It's old as shit, man. It's old. So this is the tradition. Steak, St. Bernardus. Ready? Ready for this? Yes! That means we're on vacation, buddy. All right, I'm gonna let you know how everything is. Let's get a pour. Went too fast. Got too excited, went too fast. Too fast. Way too much head. Way too much. All right, steak. Steak test. That might be the best I've ever made. I've made a lot of steaks. It's outstanding. It's just, everything just pops. The flavors just pop. All that salt, the salmon seasoning. I'm telling you, that should be everybody's go-to, just all-purpose seasoning. It's so good. All right, here we go. I had to get past the head. Oh, buddy, it's so good. You can't have this until you're 3. Dog years, you see. All right, Brussels sprouts. I just cooked those in the onions, garlic, the Holy Trinity. Onions, garlic, pepper. A little bit of seasoning, salt and pepper, a little more bit of salmon seasoning. I cooked them in the leftover steak juices, the butter and everything. And then at the end, I used a little bit of beer to kind of soften them up. And at the very end, I added a little bit of hot honey. Love hot honey. At the very end, so that way it kind of caramelized and made them a little crispy. Wow. Wow. Yep. Yep. Just all of this. All of this. This is what I'm excited for. So with that being said, I'm going to eat this and I'm going to leave you now. Oh my God, the hot honey just kicked in. And I'm going to leave you right now. And I'm sorry for pointing my fork at you. But I appreciate if you watched. If you like this video, give it a like. If you like this kind of adventure content, just hit that subscribe button. I mean, that's nothing. Just press the button. What are you doing? Just press the button. Let's hang out together. For 4 months, let's hang out together. I'd say this is a pretty successful first day. This is day 1. And with that being said, tomorrow we're going to head out to Helen. It's going to be rainy, so it's going to be an adventure in itself. So next video, we're going to be doing some Helen stuff. Probably waterfalls, maybe some big steins of beer. I don't know. Just come hang out with us. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you guys for watching. Be good to each other and keep exploring life with an open mind.
We need more than hopes and wishes for us.